안녕하세요. 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami, and today I'm filming a little different. Just wanted to switch it up a bit, and I'm going to be showing you my recent favorite way of low heat hairstyling that makes you look like you actually went to the salon. It works for any hair length, so before we get started, I'm going to throw in some dry shampoo. I try not to wash my hair as much as I can for the health of my hair, especially because it breaks a lot when it is wet. And the oils definitely help nurture the hair shaft as well. My favorite dry shampoo, Batiste, at Walmart. I saw other, they added 12 other scents, and I was like, oh, I want to buy all of them. I want to buy one of each. For the back, instead of just grabbing the back section, what I like to do is split it in half and grab a diagonal section. This way, no dry shampoo will actually show through at the very back of your head. When I used to just dry shampoo just the back section, I would have this blob of white right here, just at the back of my head. And you're finished. No, I'm just kidding. We definitely want to use our heat protectant. This one's also my favorite, TRESemme. I've been buying these both for 5 to 7 years religiously. These are I am loyal. I don't know what size this is, but I'll have it on the screen and I'll have it down below. This one is ceramic, and the key to making your hair exposed to the least amount of heat as possible is to only work on these top sections right here. This is literally the only hair that we're putting heat on, and any loose, weird looking hair as finishing touches. Super quick and easy. I literally just take the top section of my hair, I'm gonna do this to the rest of my hair, and it'll help my hair look a lot more neater at first impression, but without damaging the rest of the head of hair. Now that our hair is looking nice and neat, without sacrificing on the health of our entire head and without sacrificing too much time, we're gonna give it some oomph quickly, but make it look like you spent an hour at the salon. So that's gonna mean taking little pieces of that top layer around the head again, but literally pieces this thin. And we're going to curl them alternately back and forth to add texture, dimension, and style to the hair. So you can see now that it's nice and textured, but some areas I feel are still lacking that voom. So for those areas, I just kind of add a little bit more. Literally two-step hair tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I myself really like to make things efficient but also easy and simple. So I mean, if you could spend 5 minutes doing your hair and not 45, I would rather take the 5 minutes and it still looks relatively well done. We have also started regularly uploading on our second channel, so definitely make sure to click through right here to subscribe, because there's going to be a lot of great content on there you don't want to miss. Turn on your bell notifications to become part of our NachoFam. I also post frequently on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, so I'll check you out on those platforms if they are platforms that you use. Moving on to the featured comment. Today's featured comment is from Itzalia Monia. No, please, no more bleach. I love you, girl. Stop with the bleach. I'm sorry. Love you too.